Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this tutorials of the Fort Digital's WhatsApp services. So if you visit our website, you can see that we have several communication tools, and this WhatsApp service is one of them. So we have four communication tools. All right, depends on your needs and your use and what kind of message you are sending. All right. So let me give you some quick summary. So we have this what we call the SMS web-based systems. This is the most professional SMS system where you can send 200,000 SMS per hour, all right, through our system platform, and it will show your company sender ID or the name. So it's very professional. So this is a system used by most of the companies, banks, government sectors, and so on. And not only that, SMS is still the only communication tools where you can send all kind of messages. So whether it's a marketing or promotionals, notification, reminders, anything, OTP, anything, right? Now, so this is the first system that we have. We have also another SMS system which is for smaller usage where it's sent through the SIM card. So this is a local, or we call it offline systems. Right? So this system is perfect for those small usage, and then you need the offline systems, right? So, and the third one will be the WhatsApp web-based system. So this is the one that I'm going to show it to you in this video. So this is a professional WhatsApp web-based systems, or we call it the centralized system, where all your staff can work from anywhere in the world to reply the customers' inquiries and so on, and to send them reminders, notifications, OTP, reservation and booking information. So WhatsApp is not suitable for marketing and promotional because the recipient able to click report and block your numbers, your message, right? So I don't recommend to use WhatsApp for marketing. All right. Now then, the fourth system will be the also the WhatsApp systems, but it's for personal use, local use, where you will send through your own WhatsApp numbers, is to speed up the sending. All right. So this one is to send to your own contacts or address book, to speed up the sending. All right, to your own customers. But make sure that you send to your own contacts that you have a conversation before. So check out the website. We have a video for every one of the services here. All right. So not to waste time, I'm going to share with you the professional WhatsApp web-based systems. Right. So to log into the our WhatsApp and SMS portal, you just go to this our main website, and then you click login. And I'm going to log in now using the test account. So please contact us for Digitals to set up your account. So once you log in, on the left menu, you can see here there's a WhatsApp and then there's a SMS portion. So you can have both of the world within one single portals. All right. So each of the systems have their own pro and con. So once in a while you need to use WhatsApp, and once in a while you just need to use SMS. All right. So so you can have both of the credits, and then you can interchangeable, depends on your scenario. Okay. Now let's talk about the WhatsApp now. So this WhatsApp service, basically there are two segments, there are two purpose here. So there is a WhatsApp chat and there is a template send. All right, so each of them are different, so I'm going to share with you. So the WhatsApp chat basically are more into chatting, where the customers will send it to you first. All right, so I give you examples like Fort Digitals, where we put all our WhatsApp numbers in our website. For example, like this one. Okay, so we put our QR code there. So whoever want to contact us, they just scan the QR code and then they just WhatsApp to us. So this is called inquiry, sales, or support. All right. So this WhatsApp chat basically is very powerful tools where all of your staff can work from anywhere in the world. They can work from home, they can work at office, they can work outstation, they can work in anywhere, right? So all the staff able to log into the same portal here, then they're able to see all the customers' inquiries or sales support. All right, okay. So then they can reply from anywhere in the world. So this is a centralized systems. Okay, so all your staff can work from anywhere. All right, and so you just need to activate your this WhatsApp number. So during the setup, you contact 4 digits, then we will set up for you, and we can activate any numbers. All right, you can activate the landline numbers start with 6, or we can activate mobile numbers start with 8 or 9 or 3. As far as the number is valid and active numbers, that we can make a call one time for the OTP, so we can activate any numbers. All right. So as you can see here, the demo numbers. This one is this is the numbers, and we also provide you. The system will automatically provide for you the this QR code, which you can publish in your website. All right, like this. All right, you can publish in your brochures. All right, or and then people can just scan and then they can WhatsApp to you, or you can just insert this link into the SMS, into the emails, and people can click and they can WhatsApp to you. So they no need to save your contact first, all right, into the address book. No need. They just scan the QR code or click at the link. They can straight away WhatsApp to you anything they want. All right. So so this chat functions, all right. So it's more for people to contact to you first. So the idea is people contact you first, then you can reply them with anything you want. So you can set the auto reply or manual reply. So here you have the generic auto reply, we have a custom auto reply. All right, so I'm going to show it to you shortly. All right, so this WhatsApp chat basically is for sales inquiries, support, reservations, booking. So people can make a booking, they just WhatsApp to you. All right, for your whatever product and services you provide. You can also use it for feedback, whistleblowers. All right, so you can ask people to WhatsApp to you the dirty area, the suspicious packages, suspicious persons, take up pictures and send it to you. All right, then you can use it for whistleblowers. All right, so to send the documents and so on. Right, and you can use it even for lucky draw, to ask people to WhatsApp to you the pictures of the receipt. All right, so the proof of payment. So there is a lot of purpose. So the rules of this WhatsApp chat is somebody must WhatsApp to you first. So somebody must WhatsApp to you first, then you can reply them with anything. You can chat with them. All right, okay. Now, so this is the WhatsApp chat. Okay. Now, the template send, on the other hand, is the service where you can do the broadcast. So you can do the broadcast, all right, like SMS broadcast, all right. However, there are some limitation I'm going to share with you later on. So template send is for you to do the broadcast. That means nobody WhatsApp to you at the first place. You can broadcast to them out of the blue. All right. So for whatever purpose, for OTP, okay, reservation and booking confirmations, ticketing, invoicings, for any other purpose. All right, so this means you send to people first. So we don't recommend you to use this template send to send marketing message. So WhatsApp is not very suitable for marketing, because the recipient able to click, block and report. That's the bad things about WhatsApp marketing, right? So it's better that you get the permissions, or you ask them to subscribe to your marketing message before you send it to them, if you want to send marketing message. But overall, it is not that suitable, all right, due to this block and report functions. Right? If you want to do the marketing, we recommend the best is still SMS. All right, okay. Now, so this is the summary for the difference between WhatsApp chat and the template send. All right, so the WhatsApp chat is for people to contact you first, then you entertain them, you chat with them. All right, for the template send, you send to people out of the blue. All right, you can send it to them anytime you want. All right, but however, take note on the content of the message. All right, now, so let's go for the chat. All right, so you can turn on the generic auto reply. So this generic auto reply basically is when somebody WhatsApp to you the first time of the day, they will get the auto reply. So you can put as long as you want. You can even put your company logo or another image or the brochures. You can insert whatever pictures in the auto reply. All right, so I'm going to do a demo right now. So I'm going to WhatsApp some things. For examples, I'm going to send in a message. So once somebody WhatsApp to you, all right, so it will come into the table here below. All right, you can see here, there's a new message come in. It will show the phone numbers, the name. All right, we're able to detect the name, so you no need to ask for the name. All right, and then I'm going to open up this conversation history, or the chat history, the thread as you can see. As you can see here, these are all the conversation history. All right, so this person WhatsApp in test and they get the auto reply of the day. All right, so this is the auto reply. You can set it here. All right, now from here, so once somebody WhatsApp to you like this, all right, you can start to chat with them. You can reply them anything you want, all right, from this portal within 24 hours. So as far as within 24 hours from the last incoming WhatsApp, you can chat with them. Okay, so like for example, so I'm going to reply, how can we help? So as you can see here, this is a centralized system. Your staff can read all the incoming WhatsApp and reply the customer from anywhere in the world. This is the biggest advantage of this system. It's a centralized system. So I already replied. All right. So that's the things, and then the customer can reply back and so on and so forth. So this is a chatting. Now, another advantage of this system is well, basically you can see here there's no delete buttons. All right, so this is what we call accountability. So this is for company or business use. You cannot use a normal handphone. All right, for as we explained in our website. So you cannot use a normal mobile phone or a handset for business use, because if you use a normal handphone, that means only one person able to only one person hold the handset all the time, the mobile phone all the time. So you always depends on one person's. While this is a centralized systems, everybody can log in from anywhere in the world, then they can work together. Okay, and the second thing is if you use a normal mobile phones, right, the person who hold the mobile phone able to delete the contents. All right, all the incoming, outgoing, they're able to delete away. All right, so there's no proof anymore. While these systems, the centralized system, as you can see here, all the incoming and outgoing, the history, nobody able to delete because there's no delete button. So everything is traceable. So that's very important for business use. All right, and for this if you use a mobile phone, there's no way you can export the conversation history easily. But using this system, as you can see, for example, the conversation thread for these persons, we can easily just click export, done. That's all. So you can easily click export and that's it. So you can straight away export all the conversation history into Excel. All right, and another the auto reply function. As you know, the mobile phone there's no auto reply, but these systems you can set the generic auto reply and the custom auto reply. I'm going to show you the custom auto reply. All right, so this is the chatting part. All right, so you can send a file attachment as well. All right, as well as they're able to send it to you the pictures. Like for these examples, they send in the pictures, and then you just click and you can see the full image easily. All right, then you can save it to your computers. All right, you can also do the quick reply from here. All right, so from the outside you can just do a quick reply from here. For example, this one I'm going to reply, so you don't need to click at the conversation thread. You can just reply from the main screen here. All right, that's all. So this is the chatting portions. Okay, now so I'm going to show you the custom auto reply. The custom auto reply is a very powerful auto reply where you can create a special code. All right, like this one. These are the codes and special answers. So I give you examples. I can create a code called Wi-Fi, and then the password is this one. So if somebody want to get the Wi-Fi password, they have to WhatsApp to us the Wi-Fi code first, so we will get the phone numbers. All right, so let me share with you. Give me a all right, so for example, I'm going to just a demo here. For example, I'm going to send in Wi-Fi. This is a code. So once I send the Wi-Fi, I will get the auto reply directly. Wi-Fi password is 12345. So you can set whatever code, whatever answer, whatever code, whatever answers. Another example is for example, you are the money changers industry. You can create a code called USD, and the rates is this. You can always edit the rates. All right. So when somebody WhatsApp in, let's say USD, then they will get the auto reply. according to whatever answers that you set. All right, so this is a very powerful way. You can create some kind of like interactive two-way communications, right? Automated this one, right? Now, so as you can see here, all the incoming message, all right, okay. So somebody WhatsApp in Wi-Fi, they get the answer. Somebody WhatsApp in Wi-Fi, they get the answers, right? So all of these have the history here, all right. So that's all. So this is the chatting portions, right? So the generic auto reply, the custom auto reply. We also have the API for you to integrate into your system. So we can push, if you want, if you don't like our system interface, you can create your own interface or you can integrate into your systems. First of all, we can push all the incoming WhatsApp messages to your server directly, and you can reply them using all the API here. All right. Now let's go to the template send now. So the template send, as explained before, so this is the what we call the broadcast part where you can send to people out of the blue without they WhatsApp to you first. However, all right, for WhatsApp, you can't just type and send. It's like the SMS, right? SMS is pretty much type and send. Like for example, SMS, we have this quick send. You can just simply type any message and then you can just broadcast this message to 200,000 people or more. All right. Now, so for the WhatsApp broadcast, you have to use a fixed template. So this is what we call template. So this template is not you have to apply to get it approved, all right? So when we set up your account for the first time, we will give you a couple of template like this for you to use. We will the template is pretty much generic template for generic message. You can use it for a lot of scenarios. However, if you don't like this template, you just send us your template and then we will get it approved, and then you once approved you can reuse and reuse and reuse the template. So I give you example here. For example, this is the template that I choose. All right. Now, so if you're going to send through our web portals, all right, so you have to populate the informations. All right. So these are the box below. So the first box is the mobile numbers. So if, for example, you need to broadcast to a group of people of 1,000 people and so on, you just copy and paste. All right. So the numbers here. Okay. The system will automatically add for you the country code. Depends on your account's default country code. All right. And these are the variables we can see here. Okay. Now you have to populate the variable as well. Now I give examples. So from this template, this sample template, you have to follow, you have to suit to the template's parameters or the variables. From, you can see here, this main is referring to company name, for examples. Now, if you want everybody receive the same variable, you just tick these buttons. Then the second variable, this one is pretty much straightforward. It's a name, all right? So you can copy and paste the name, all right, from your own source according to your source. This is just examples, all right? Okay. And the third variables are the free text. As you can see here, this is an announcement, so you can put whatever you want. All right. So, okay, for example, we have a fire drill this afternoon, 3 p.m. Please open the windows. Okay, so this is just examples, right? So I want everybody to receive the same content as well because this is the generic message. Then I just tick this one. So that's all. So 3 variables fill up. And what I need to do is I just click add to finalist. So once I click add to finalist, the system will mail merge all the variables. As you can see here, they give you the samples. So you do not worry, it will be sent out so fast. They let you check first. So the system let you check. You can see this is the numbers, this is the variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and so on. So this is what we call the template. So you have to personalize the content, all right? So once you're ready, okay, you just click send. That's all. There you go. I received the message. You can see here from 4Digitals, dear Benjamins, please take note, and this is the generic template. So you can use the generic template that we give it to you, all right? Or you can apply your own template. Now, so this template have a lot of functionality, all right? So you can also send a template with the pictures, all right? So for example, I select a template. So this template, there are 4 variables. Maybe I have to fill up the 4 variables. I put the same, for example, This is just examples. All right, I add to final list. So now this template, there are 4 variables, so I fill up variable 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now this time I'm going to choose some image. This is just examples. For example, I send the pictures of this. All right, then I click send. Done. So as you can see here, I received the image with the pictures and the message. All right, all is personalized. All right. Then we have a template where you can send a PDF files. I'm going to select one of the PDF files. This is just examples, and everything all the variables remain the same. This is just for demo purpose. Done. So I received this a message where I can download and open up the PDF files. All right. Now we also have a template with the buttons. So this is a very special functions that you can only use this system. So your normal handphone, your mobile phone, unable to have this kind of the functions, right? So if you go to our website, we also provide the samples, right? So you can send or you can apply a template where you can have the buttons. As you know that nowadays providing a hyperlink is very bad. A lot of people don't like to click at the hyperlinks because of the scam thingy. So you can create a template where there is a button at below. You can see here. So once they click, it will go to your website or brochures or YouTube video, anything as far as hyperlink. All right. We can also create the buttons for call, a hotline call. So that means people can just click and then it will call. They make a normal calls, not a WhatsApp call, right? Using their phone, all right? And another type of buttons is the reply buttons. This is a very nice buttons where you can provide the buttons for people to reply back to you with a fixed message. So like I'm coming, I'm not coming, unsubscribe. So instead of they type, they can just click. All right, so let's do a real sample here. I'm going to select a template with the buttons here. So okay, so I'm going to, for example, the fourth area, please respond. This is just examples below. So I'm going to add the final list and I'm going to broadcast. All right, done. Now have a look. This is a very nice type of the template where there is a button below here. All right, I'm coming, I'm not coming. All right, so once they click examples, I'm coming. So it's actually a reply. It's a reply back to you. So instead of typing, they can just click and all the replies will come into the chat. Here we go. So all the replies will come into the chat. So once they already reply back to you, you can continue the conversations. You can chat with them. So as far as they WhatsApp to you, you can reply them with anything. You can start to chat with them within 24 hours period. All right. So this is a very nice template. All right. Now, so I'm going to show you another templates. This template is, I believe, it have the buttons like a call and okay. As you can see here, there's a call button and then there's a click to visit. This means it's a hyperlink buttons. So it's very nice. So you don't need to provide a hyperlink where a lot of people are afraid to click, right? So you can give them whatever link, and then this is the what we call the call buttons. That's it. So this is the broadcast WhatsApp template send. All right. Now, so we also provide the API. As you can see here, we provide the API for you to send to integrate into your applications. All right. So you can send messages like OTP, notification, reminders, confirmations, booking, reservations, and invoicing. Yes, you can attach a PDF files or JPEG as I showed to you. This means you can send people the e-invoice through this WhatsApp instead of sending by emails or the snail mail, which is very costly. All right, so this one will save you a lot of times, and the good news is you can send anybody in the world. All right, so as far as they have the WhatsApp. All right, now so after you do the broadcast, you can always go to the template logs. So these are the very good logs where it will compare these are the messages that you sent, who you sent to, and whether they replied. So from here you can have a quick summary. So you total sent to 15 messages today, and unique number are 3, and all replied, as you can see here. Nobody not replied yet. So you can see here that everybody replied and respond to you. So for those who not yet replied, if there are some who not yet replied, you can resend to them again. All right, hit them again one more time. You just click this button. You just click this button, then it will resend to those who don't reply at all today. All right. Now, so you can always export out the data. Okay, I can export out the data, and then easily for all the messages that you sent today, and then you can export out, and then you can compare. All right, and then you can export out those who has replied and who has not replied. So this system, you can use it for emergency purpose, emergency messages. That means you broadcast to 1,000 people and you expect them to reply to you some things, all right, to acknowledge. That means they know the situations, all right. And for those who have not yet replied at all, you know who they are, and then you can send them again one more time. If they don't reply, you can export the data, and maybe you want to send them through SMS, or you want to give them a call instead. Okay, so this is the template logs. All right, so that's all. So these are the WhatsApp services. All right, so it's very powerful for business use, especially the chat, and then as well as the template send. All right, but you have to take note on the template send. Once again, all right, you should not send marketing messages or promotional messages, because the WhatsApp, people, the recipient able to block and report you. This is the biggest problem. Now, when we set up the first time your account, all right, so I will give it to you some information here. So when the first time they set up for you the account, you will be given 1,000 messages per day. So you can send 1,000 contacts per day. So if after a while you use it, maybe you send a couple of rounds and not a lot of people click block and report, or nobody click block and report your message, your ratings will increase to 10,000 per day. So you can send 10,000 per day, and eventually unlimited. All right. But if after you send a lot of people's, you do a lot of this template send, and a lot of people click block and report, your rating will drop to 250 per day, and eventually suspended. So that's the things. All right. So make sure that you send any kind of notification, reminders, and so on, use in the template send, but not marketing message. So this is our recommendations. All right, so that's all. So this is the tutorials for these WhatsApp systems. If you want to set up your account, all right, you let us know. The best is set up using your own Meta or Facebook business account, your own. If you don't have, please set up one. It's free, and make sure that is your Meta account is verified. All right. Now, if you don't have the Meta account, all right, we can set up using 4 digits account, Meta account. However, you will see the name is the WhatsApp name is from 4 digits. All right, like this is examples. All right, it will show a 4 digits name. All right, so if you want to show your company name, all right, so use your own Meta account. If we set up using 4 digit account, that is quite fast. We can set up within minutes. All right, you can start to use. All right, so make sure that you use it only for OTP. All right, or notification or reminders. All right, so do free to contact us, and then we will explain to you, and we will set up for you. All right, so that's all. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.